This is the improved skin pad range from Limbs and Things, featuring the professional sebaceous cyst and lipoma pads, designed to support trainees through both undergraduate and postgraduate learning. The professional pad represents human skin with a realistic tissue response and a similar drag and strength. It is ideal for all levels of learning and skill maintenance. It can be used to practice multiple types of incisions. The layers allow both simple and advanced suturing techniques with realistic retention of sutures. The Lipoma Pad represents a lipoma situated under the dermis. Ideal for postgraduate learning, it features 2 per pad. Trainees can practice the full removal procedure, from designing the incision, incising the skin, through to the removal enclosure. The sebaceous cyst pad contains 2 cysts, situated immediately below the epidermis layer. Trainees can practice the incision and removal of the cyst. True to life, it is attached firmly to the underside to simulate a realistic removal. Its fragile epidermoid wall is filled with a simulated pus, and the cyst exhibits appropriate adhesion to surrounding tissue. With their realistic layers and feel, the skin pads range from Limbs and Things allows trainees to become competent in and then practice their surgical skills.